What's up guys, welcome back to Cooking with Lev. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare a Thanksgiving turkey. 2 days before Thanksgiving, we're gonna soak it in the water to tenderize it and then make it ready for cooking on Thursday. So it's Tuesday today, I'm gonna start preparation today. Let's start cleaning up the turkey. One more time before we soak it in the water. So our turkey is ready to go in the 5-gallon bucket. Before we start filling up this bucket, we're gonna add garlic. We're gonna add orange. Squeeze the juice out first. We're gonna add fresh thyme. Rosemary. Cilantro. And also add apple cider vinegar. Last, we're gonna add salt. Hey, what's up guys? This is day 2. We're gonna go ahead and remove the turkey from the water. Now it has enough moisture, it's gonna be very tender and juicy, and it has a lot of flavor. So we're gonna remove it, wash it, and then we're gonna go ahead and marinate, leave it overnight to cook it tomorrow. Cups of the plain yogurt for the marination. We're gonna add paprika, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, lemon pepper, cumin, brown sugar, black pepper, fresh thyme, oregano, salt, and we're going to press garlic, approximately 10 cloves. mix it up. Okay, and also we're gonna squeeze 1 lemon. Refrigerate this until tomorrow before we cook it. Right here, we're gonna go ahead and set up the fire before we set up the turkey. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and set up the turkey on the rotisserie. First, we're gonna fill it up with rice. Okay, our turkey is ready. We're gonna go ahead and put this on the fire now. Smoke this for about 30 to 1 hour on 250 to 300, and internal temperature we're gonna target about 165. And we're gonna cook this approximately 3 to 4 hours. Let's start cooking. We're using apple wood to smoke it. Getting ready to make mashed potatoes. so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's Thanksgiving. I want to say happy Thanksgiving to all of you out there, from my family to yours. Our turkey is ready. We're going to go ahead and have a great night today. Looks beautiful, delicious, so juicy. So we're going to go ahead and enjoy the night. I want to say thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and don't miss out on the upcoming videos. Cheers guys. Happy Thanksgiving to all of you out there.